Ever wish your car had a few smart upgrades to make driving easier and more comfortable? Today, we're looking at 3 clever car gadgets that can improve your driving experience and add extra convenience on the road. As always, you can find all the product links down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 3. Hate straining your back just to reach the roof of your car on wash day? This is a double brush car wash mop designed to make cleaning your car faster and easier. Instead of scrubbing with a small sponge, you simply dip the dual chenille heads into soapy water and glide them across your vehicle. The 360-degree rotating heads naturally follow the curves of your car, making it easier to clean the hood, windshield, and those tricky body lines without missing a spot. It comes with an adjustable aluminum alloy pole that extends up to 115 centimeters, allowing you to reach the roof of SUVs and trucks comfortably. The thick chenille mop heads are highly absorbent, produce plenty of foam, and are designed to be gentle on your car's paint. Many drivers like this tool because it helps reduce trips to automatic car washes and makes cleaning the car at home much easier. If you want to make your weekend car washes quicker and easier on your back, this might be worth checking out. Number 2. Tired of waking up with a stiff neck after falling asleep during a long car ride? This is a 3D memory foam neck support pillow that attaches directly to the metal poles of your car's headrest. Once installed, it provides 2 padded side cushions that gently cradle your head, helping prevent that awkward head bobbing when you doze off. The mechanical locking system keeps the unit stable, so it won't rattle or slide down, even when driving over bumpy roads. It features premium memory foam wrapped in soft leather for added comfort. The width between the 2 pillows is fully adjustable from 20 to 30 centimeters, allowing it to fit both kids and adults. Plus, the back bracket includes dual hooks where you can hang small bags or jackets. Parents and frequent travelers really like this upgrade because it helps turn the back seat into a more comfortable resting space, allowing passengers to arrive feeling more relaxed instead of tired. If you often take long road trips with family or passengers, this might be worth checking out. Number 1. Ever had to pull over on a dark highway and worried other drivers might not see your car? This is a highly visible magnetic LED strobe light that mounts directly to the top of your vehicle in seconds. Instead of dealing with complicated hardwiring, you simply place it on your roof. Plug the power cord into your car's standard 12-volt cigarette lighter and control it using the included control panel. It provides 360-degree flashing light to help alert oncoming traffic, making it useful for roadside emergencies, snow plowing, or construction work. It packs 42 high-intensity chips that remain visible even in daylight, heavy rain, or foggy conditions. The base features 20 strong N35 magnets covered in silicone sleeves, helping it grip the roof securely while protecting your car's paint. Plus, you can switch between 38 different flash patterns depending on the situation. If you want a simple plug-and-play light to improve visibility during roadside situations, this might be worth checking out. And that's it for today's top 3 car gadgets. If any of these caught your interest, you can find the product links in the description below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.